Hello, this is Ragnar, and I'm back with finally a silver unboxing. So let's get straight into it. I'm finally back with silver. What was it? I was unemployed for a while, but what was it? About 3 weeks ago, my job called me and they were like, well, one of the local guys, he's going over the road, so we'll need someone to take his place. And I was like, yeah, I'll be local. I don't want to go back over the road. So for the past 2 weeks, I've been working. So decided way to celebrate me going back to work is to get a silver order. So there we go, box within a box. And it's not a huge order, but it's been something that I've been wanting for a while, so just couldn't afford it. Well, I could afford it, but just didn't want to. When I was unemployed, never know when unexpected bills or something are going to pop up, or a car repair, so. But yeah, the past 2 weeks I've been working, and it's not full-time, it's only part-time, but I mean, my first week I got, 25 hours. My second week I got 34, so yeah, 34 this past week, so these are just capsules. Okay, we've got our first little baggie here. Ah! No sticky. Okay. There we go. I'll just take this out. Hey. Alright. First up, we got the America the Beautiful, the what is it? Effigy mounds, and I really do like this coin. I'm surprised because Providence shipped it in a capsule. When I've ordered America the Beautiful from them before, they haven't shipped it in a capsule. So that's because I ordered a capsule with it, because in the past they've never come with capsules. So I'm kind of surprised, but 5 ounces, Iowa, effigy mounds. I really do like this one. I think Frederick Douglass or whatever is out now, but I'm not really a fan of it. I like more of the scenery ones, but there's 5 ounces. There's my order information. Let me get this out of here. Oh yay, another magnet. But okay. Oop. So there's 5 here. First up, I got 5 of the 2-ounce Queen's Beast. This is the Dragon of Wales, and these are 2 ounces each, so it's 10 ounces. And I got 5 of the Queen's Beast, the Griffin of Edward, so there's 10 ounces there. So altogether, it's only 25 ounces, but I believe it's good. I mean, I'm I'm gonna be only really buying stuff that I want to collect and stuff that I think looks cool, and I really do like the Queen's Beast. I don't know if I'll pick up another one of these. I mean, I like America the Beautiful, but I really only like the scenery ones, but I've already got the collection started. I really don't like the portrait ones. I'm not a fan, so anyway, I got 25 ounces total, 20 of the Queen's Beast, and I'm all caught up on the Queen's Beast, which is good, so see if you can see. Oh, Jesus. So, yeah, 25 ounces, 20 of the Queen's Beast, 5 of the effigy mounds. I'm back to work now, so hopefully there'll be more silver, so. But anyway, that's my short little unboxing. Thank you for watching.